canâ Euro TMT review. The last time I saw a manâ Euro TMS head snap back quicker from swung to straight. I was driving home in a brilliant blue metallic 2018 Mercedes-AMG GT C Roadster, and I can just assume that he thought I was an appealing lady at first look, on account of my streaming blonde locks, when he all of a sudden understood his misstep. Oh dear, as Austin Powers would state, I'd a Euro TMS a man, child. All things considered, amid my chance in the driver's seat of the GTC, I found that numerous rando were snapping their necks similarly as quick the other way, keeping in mind the end goal to get a look at the glossy $180,065 Mercedes convertible. In any event, a Euro TM, I'm almost certain they were in a Euro TMT taking a gander at me. In spite of the Goliath carbon fiber wing of its race-prepared AMG GTR enormous sibling, the AMG GT C Roadster is the Euro TMT, surrendering anything to the GTR in the eyeball-snatching division. From what I could tell, a Euro, especially in its dazzling dark blue shade. From the nursery line on down, the GTC has an indistinguishable shape from its 2018 All-Stars winning GTR sibling, a Euro, and the same 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 under its hood, but sending a Euro E just a Euro 550 horsepower and a Euro E mere Euro 502 pounds of torque to its 7-speed double grasp programmed, a yield drop of 27 and 14, respectively. You a Euro TMLL never see the power contrast, however, except if you take the two dashing consecutive, as the AMG GTR is just 0.1 seconds speedier to 60 miles per hour, and there is no Euro TMT much drop off with regards to enter reaction, either. And keeping in mind that the GTC Roadster is the Euro TMT, an incredible careful surgical blade the GTR is, I'd a Euro TMS still bounty sharp and feels like a legitimate driver, a Euro TMS auto. Both would be similarly as cheerful, setting down hot laps out under the desert sun amid a private track day at the Thermal Club outside of Palm Springs, California, yet the GTC will be less demanding on your spine amid the lengthy drive down the I-10 from LA to arrive. It would likewise complete a greatly improved activity of sitting in the garage of the renowned mid-century present-day house you leased in Palm Springs for the end of the week, as the GT Raw Euro TMS additional Blaze Dozna Euro TMT match also with the tasteful engineering. Curiously, the 3,660-pound AMG GT C Roadster is 88 pounds lighter than the 3,748 pounds AMG GT C car and weighs only 66 pounds more than the carbon fiber-rich AMG GTR, which tips the scales at 3,594 pounds. It used to be that drop-tops were reliably heavier than their settled rooftop cousins, however, a similar weight-sparing advances in material innovation that let Today Euro TMS autos adapt to Today Euro TMS well-being needs without getting to be 3-ton pigs make for lighter tops, too. Also, no extra propping was required for the GTC, which has been an issue in the past with convertibles. Predictably, however, a significant part of the kooky Euro TMS relative reasonableness is eaten up by the GT Ca Euro TMS retractable rooftop setup, contracting 10.1 cu-foot of room to only 5.8 cu-foot. That a Euro TMS scarcely enough for an arrangement of track day design for thermal and a duffel pack loaded with a Euro Smart Casual Euro equipped for the local party. A short time later, few spots are more fitting for a couple of Sperry topsiders. Trust it or not, an AMG GT car can devour a short surfboard in the back. Ask me how I know, yet the main way you a Euro TMR running surfing with the GTC is if your board is riding shotgun. One thing that has no Euro TMT contracted over the Roadster is the GT Ca Euro TMS snarling twin-turbo V8, which presents a strong soundtrack when you a Euro TMR making a beeline for Malibu on the Pacific Coast Highway. When you need to stick out to music of another assortment, you a Euro TMD, be very much encouraged to check the container for the discretionary $4,500 Burmester Premium Sound Framework. You have no reason not to truly, in light of the fact that in the event that you have more than $150,000 to drop on a German drop top, it is senseless to hold back out on the tunes. Moreover, the motor wanna Euro TMT be doing much snarling while you a Euro TMR putting along at 10 miles per hour on the I-405 or cruising down Hollywood Boulevard. Except if you a Euro TMR well sufficiently mannered to turn the framework down once you hit the Malibu City line, your neighbors wanna Euro TMT welcome the extra sonic speculation. Your ears positively will. I invested as meager energy as conceivable with the best up, however inside clamor is the Euro TMT significantly higher than in the AMG GTR when it is, and you never need to raise your voice to loud noises levels to have a discussion with your co-tenant. You a Euro TMLL need that best up should you take off to the desert amid the day, notwithstanding, as getting sunstroke essentially lessens the delight in top-down motoring. Also, in that lies the most imperative inquiry: would you say you are really going to appreciate top-down motoring with any kind of recurrence? On the off chance that the appropriate response is no, at that point your Euro TMD be in an ideal situation with the AMG GT Coupe Euro TMS bigger trunk, and you a Euro TMD spare yourself generally $12,000 all the while. In the event that the appropriate response is yes, at that point by all methods call your nearby Mercedes-Benz merchant. You a Euro TMLL be unable to locate a more keen drop top than the 2018 Mercedes-AMG GT C Roadster shy of joining the $200,000 club. Simply make certain to toss a cap on if you a Euro TMV got long hair. Regardless of whether you have no compelling reason to stress over sexual orientation vowing circumstances, I'd a Euro TMS an agony to get it unraveled.